Well, as Missouri businesses slowly reopen, so will courthouses. But how can you best go to court and not leave with the coronavirus? We've got St. Louis family law attorney Jonathan Marks joining us from the Marks Law Firm. Good morning, and how's it going so far for you?
Good morning, John. It's going well. I appreciate you asking. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'm sure it's been difficult practicing law from your house.
Absolutely. Everything's been very different. Certainly operating, with clients and with the court system through phone and by video is a different challenge, but certainly adjusted like everybody else has to this difficult time during the pandemic.
Well, the Missouri Supreme Court has said that on May 16th, it's effective. The courts will reopen. So you were saying possibly Monday that would take effect?
Yeah, I mean, what they're operating under is a four-phase system. So currently, they're at what they call phase zero, which is what we've been operating under, where in essence, everybody is operating outside the courthouse. So we're doing things by phone, we're doing things by video. But as you enter into Monday, being the 18th, once this order has been in effect over the weekend, the court system has the ability to phase into different phases as it is able to ensure the safety, not just of the individuals that are within the courthouse, but the individuals that are coming into the courthouse as well.
And all of this is pretty basic common sense, like phase one, you go in, you have social distancing. Are people going to be wearing masks?
You would assume that that's going to happen. Certainly for St. Charles County, they've talked about how they're going to require everybody that walks into the courthouse to get a mask as they're going through the doors, as they get through the metal detectors, to ensure the safety and to maintain that mask stays on them throughout their experience within the courthouse. You would assume that other courthouses such as St. Louis County and the city of St. Louis are going to follow suit as well. All of them are very concerned based upon the directives that they've received from the Supreme Court to ensure the safety of everybody and to follow certain protocols. So, as you start opening up and you're doing it on that first phase, it's a testing. It's very difficult to know exactly how all of this is going to work because each courthouse is different. They have different sizes, different amount of floors, and how to figure that out of the amount of people that are going to be coming through the door, getting those temperatures taken, mask put on, and figuring out social distancing and getting people on elevators is an extremely daunting challenge. And everyone's going to have to look at it differently. But everyone is following the directives of the Supreme Court, who had in mind to make sure that the safety of everyone involved within the court system is addressed.
And it appears they put some serious thought into this. It's 10 pages. They say each phase will last for 2 weeks, and then you can go to the next phase. But if it doesn't work out, you can always go backwards to a safer zone.
Correct. It's a very much of a step-up program, and what you're going to be seeing is it's super conservative up front. Make sure that everything's in place, and if you don't have any setbacks, you can move to that first phase, what they call phase one, of the reality of people starting to come back into the courthouse, but ensuring safety by limiting the amount of people within a courtroom to 10, and then ensuring all the additional safety protocols that have been set forth within that 10-page document that you talk about. And then if everything goes okay, phase in again at the discretion of that particular courthouse in another 14 days. But should somebody end up testing positive, whether it's an employee or a litigant that came into the courthouse or an attorney, you have the option of either going all the way back to phase zero or just going back one phase and starting over, ensuring again that safety protocol for a period of 14 days. The key being just to make sure that no one within the courthouse is spreading the virus.
All right, well, we're out of time, but in a perfect world, they say by mid-June everything would be back to normal, but we will see, because nothing's
We
been
will
normal.
see.
Yeah, Jonathan Marks,
Absolutely.
thank you for joining us. And for more information, we do have a link on fox2now.com.